Ladies and gentlemen, you and I will be booked under stringent provisions of the Epidemic Diseases Act if we break lockdown norms. But no, this does not at all apply to VVIPs, especially to Netas. 3 politicians today, a union minister, a BJP member of parliament, and a top minister from Tamil Nadu, have openly disregarded rules of the lockdown. Watch how they are weakening India's fight, and then we'll debate.
A union minister skips institutional quarantine while trying to lecture the media on social distancing.
Here is Union Minister Mr. Sadananda Gowda, who had travelled in a domestic aircraft today. Sir, how do you feel domestic flights have resumed after a long time?
Please maintain social distancing first.
Please.
Yeah.
Sir.
His excuse, I am a minister, you can't treat me like the rest.
But there are certain exemption clauses. There are certain persons who are exempted from quarantining when they hold certain responsible posts.
He flew down from Delhi, which is reporting over 13,000 cases, and landing in Karnataka, where institutional quarantine is mandatory for those coming from the capital. The state has now conveniently released a backdated addendum which mentions an exemption for politicians. A member of parliament from the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party is beating lockdown blues by playing cricket in Sonipat. Only this time he's knocked social distancing off the boundary. But he's an MP. Rules don't apply to him, do they?
मैं हमेशा लॉकडाउन में सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का और नियमों का पालन करता हूं और मैं ऐसी गलती कर ही नहीं सकता.
And the revenue minister in Tamil Nadu, a top leader of the AIADMK, believes breaking lockdown rules and participating in funeral processions along with 100 others will do no harm. Over 16,000 people have tested positive for the virus in Tamil Nadu. Surely the minister doesn't care about the numbers. VVIP lockdown violators have had it easy for far too long, be it by organizing lavish weddings of their children, or by roaming around the streets by not wearing masks, and now by showing utter disregard for the norms. So while the Aam Aadmi is punished for breaking lockdown rules, VVIP violators get away. Let's debate.
Brinda Adige, how is a minister not eligible for quarantine? Does the coronavirus give an exemption to union ministers? You're on the debate right now with Syed Zafar Islam of the BJP. Brinda.
These people, you cannot call them eligible. They consider themselves above everybody else simply because they have been voted into power. I want to ask these elected representatives if they have a special pact with the coronavirus that it will not affect them.
Responsibilities, and that's a very critical
There is no clarification. Quarantine is the same for everybody. Do you have a separate pact with the coronavirus?
Of course, rule is same for everyone. But there is exemption. There is always an exemption.
Rule is the same for everybody.
He is responsible for something very critical.
There can never be an exemption. Never be an exemption.
Of course it has to be.
That is why I am asking you. Do you have a special pact with the coronavirus that it will not, that these men will not affect?
You should be criticizing the Tamil Nadu minister.
It knows,
He is going with so many of his supporters in a funeral.
What are you talking?
He is going with so many. What are you talking?
You shut
You
down
don't
all
understand.
your...
Can't you see that? Can't you see that?
What are you speaking?
So many
what
people
are you
are walking
speaking?
on the street. And you are not even criticizing just because he's a minister. You are making this kind of a statement. Especially when he's already clarified.
Oh, so you will
that
compare yourself with people walking down the street for necessities.
It is important that he should not go for quarantine.
We don't care what he holds.
1 second. Syed Zafar Islam, if I may, 1 minute. Brinda, first of all, I think Zafar, You are insulting all our viewers, all of us, by saying, oh, he's a minister.
No,
Right?
I didn't
No,
say
one
that.
minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute.
I didn't
What
say
a,
minister.
1 minute, 1 minute. Don't be
I
impatient.
must correct you, I didn't
Don't
say
be
minister.
impatient.
I said-
Don't be impatient. He says,
go ahead.
Neelam, he's doing very important work.
Yes,
He's a minister. Don't you know?
I didn't say minister. Minister is not exempted.
So what everybody
But
else does
if
unimportant work. Nobody
No,
else does
allow
any
me to-
important work.
allow me to
Neelam,
clarify
Neelam
this.
responding now. Neelam responding. Vishal is on the debate with Neelam.
May I respond, please? May I respond? May I give a clarification?
No, you want to
What he
clarify,
said-
but let Neelam speak first. One, sorry, you will have to wait. 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 Same rules for all, Zafar. Neelam Krishnamurthy. Neelam Krishnamurthy. I want to tell you one more thing.
I have a question.
Neelam Krishnamurthy. Thank you. Don't be impatient. Neelam.
Yeah. Yeah. You see, if there are rules, the rules are the same for each and everyone, whether it's an ordinary citizen or it is a minister. And in fact, if he's a
No
minister,
disconnect.
they should be more
I
prudent.
have
They
no
should be
disconnect.
laying down an example for the rest of the country. If these are the people who are going to break the rules and who want exemptions for themselves, on what grounds? He has a lot of people who
No,
are working
can
with
I
him. He
just-
doesn't
can I
have to
just
be there
Let
to
her
deliver the
complete.
medicine himself. He can give instructions. There are lots
Vishal.
Mr. Zafar, just a sec. Even our Prime Minister is having all the conferences through the
Vishal.
on video. He's not going personally. He's laying down an
Allow me to
example.
complete.
He doesn't say, I want to meet
Okay,
each one of
once
you.
you're done, then I
so
will-
why
Vishal,
is it
Vishal,
not
Vishal.
for him that he has to go personally? He has
Question
to
for you.
observe the
If you stop
stipulated
your,
quarantine
monologue,
period
just
that
hear
is
me
there.
out.
The stipulated quarantine
Madam,
period
just
is
one
not only to
question.
keep
Wait,
himself
Vishal,
safe,
wait.
but also to keep others
Anyone
safe.
else
I have
speaking
one
is
You
not a
cannot
monologue. Calm
endanger
down.
the life of others.
Be quiet, Vishal. Be quiet, Vishal. Show respect. When someone else speaks and questions you, are you saying you people have become so arrogant that when a citizen questions, and what is the citizen's
one
question today, viewers? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
I have
Vimlendu
just
is on
one
the debate.
question
1
for
minute.
Ms. Neelam
Vishal,
Krishnamurthy.
wait.
Tomorrow,
Vishal,
if
wait.
the chief of army
Vishal,
staff
Vishal,
were to
wait.
travel to Bengaluru,
Vishal, you
mean
wait.
to say
Vishal, you
will
wait.
make the army's chief of
You
army
wait, you
staff
wait. When I'm
also
asking you to
undergo
wait, you got to
14-day
wait.
Quarantine.
You wait.
You answer this question.
You wait
Is
or
the
I'll
chief
take
of
you
army
off.
staff
You
not
wait.
exempt?
You don't be in a hurry to make your
Answer
point.
this, Madam
I am
Neelam
telling you,
Krishnamurthy, I have a
telling you
question.
very clearly, Vishal, please wait. Vimlendu was on the right. Question here is, right. Now I've got this word Neta voice here. Don't force me to change it into arrogant voice. The question here is this. Vimlendu, I have a very fundamental question. You know what people are asking now, Vimlendu? Is a minister not likely to be a COVID carrier? Does a minister have a special immunity from the virus? And you know, Vimlendu, Zafar, don't think we are stupid. You said, oh, there are rules. Who wrote the rules, Vimlendu?
Well,
Who wrote the rules?
if you
Who
give
wrote
me
the
a-
rules?
if you
Who
give me a
wrote the
moment to
rules?
clarify.
Who wrote the rules?
Arnab,
The BJP
When you are
state
posing
government in
question-
Maharashtra wrote the rules for the BJP
it's
minister
okay.
coming from
Exactly.
Delhi.
Delhi.
Vimlendu is on the debate. Vimlendu.
It's a public
No,
health crisis
Vimlendu.
and everyone
Karnataka.
is a potential
Yeah, Karnataka
carrier
Karnataka.
of coronavirus.
Vimlendu and
then
Vishal.
the audacity that the
COVID
BJP
positive
minister, BJP spokesperson shows
Madam
right now,
Chavan,
At least
saying
allow-
that
traveled from
it's
Nanded
his...
to Mumbai, right? You didn't have an issue with that. Are there no
Hey,
hospitals
stop
in
your
Nanded
whataboutery
that
right
Ashok
now.
Chavan had to
Nobody's doing a
travel to Mumbai?
whataboutery
Answer
here.
this
Please
question.
understand one thing.
My
Do you
bottom-
understand the
my one
severity
point
of the
is,
issue?
Why do you politicize the issue? Why politicize
What is
the
political
issue?
about this?
If
This
your
is about
ego
public
hurt
health.
that you have to
are
undergo
not
a quarantine
doing this for your
and
own
the
joy.
gentleman and the
You
minister
are
does not have to
actually,
undergo the
when
quarantine
you
because this is
carry
the exempt category,
yourself,
sir,
when you
then
carry your body from Delhi to
argument will
Bengaluru
convince you.
or from Delhi to
Sir,
Sonipat,
sir,
you're actually
there-
carrying a
so
virus.
the army
So
chief also has
if
a
a
body,
migrant
sir.
worker gets beaten up,
chief-
you
the chief
guys
of
Okay, I
will
want-
be beaten
also
up.
has a
I'm
Okay,
body.
sorry.
okay. Here's
The
a
chief of army
campaign,
staff
viewers.
were to travel
Here's a
from
campaign,
Delhi to
Vimlendu. Let's start a
Mumbai.
campaign.
Or from
My
Delhi to
campaign for
Bengaluru.
tonight is.
Will you make him
My
under
campaign for
14
tonight
days
is. My campaign for tonight is put Union Minister Sadanand Gowda in institutional quarantine. Jitendra Bhargav is on. Jitendra Bhargav, the campaign is put the Union Minister in institutional quarantine because the co-passengers apparently are in institutional quarantine as per the SOP rolled out by the Karnataka government. One man has got an exemption, Jitendra Bhargav. That man got an exemption. When my reporter asks him, when he's coming out, he says, hey, maintain social distancing. Right? When someone asked him, why are you out? Well, I'm a minister, I've got important work. The rest of the passengers are fools. They've got no work. So he calls up the Karnataka government and he says, put out new rules for me. Who do you think you are? Marie Antoinette reborn? This is crazy. This is crazy. You realize that, viewers, do you support my view? Should Sadanand Gowda be put in institutional quarantine? Jitendra Bhargav and Ranjit Keshav are on the debate. Jitendra Bhargav, come on.
Yeah, Arnab, we are all aware that our minister lost all sensibilities and sensitivity. They are simply not concerned as to what does the public think of their conduct. First is the very basics. Why is the quarantine introduced? Simply, you travel from one place to another, you don't want people to get infected. Now, minister perhaps in his wisdom believes that he is immune to it, he will not infect anybody else, and because you have your own party, look at how the public is reacting to it. They are all under lockdown.
No,
they are not even getting out of the house because who said it? The Prime Minister has appealed to it.
Sir,
Do you know
Jiten Bhargav, louder.
Precautions, and we have been taking those precautions. Now, it is simply unbelievable that a person occupying a ministerial post will behave in this manner and then justify it saying that I am doing a major clean job. Isn't the Prime Minister, when we see the Prime Minister on video conferencing with the Chief Minister, he has his mask on, which means he's following the conduct what is required of him. Here was the minister, all that he could have done was to go through a quarantine or got a check conducted for himself and said, okay, I'm going out in 48 hours. But just walking out of the airport as if there is no lockdown being there are no quarantine regulations. Simply unbelievable that we could see this kind of conduct from a minister.
Read the exemption guidelines, sir.
Who wrote the exemption guidelines, sir? Who wrote the exemption guidelines, Vishal? Who wrote the exemption guidelines, Vishal? 1 minute. Let's have a debate on that. 1 minute. Ranjit Keshav wants to say something. Ranjit on the right. Ranjit on the right.
Anyone can be a potential
Ranjit Keshav and Vishal. Ranjit.
What is that paper that you're showing us?
Arnabji, Mr. Safar needs to understand that this is not
Sir, I am saying simple thing.
Vishal, you stop. Vishal, I want to hear him. Vishal, I want to hear him. Wait.
One particular party
Continue.
who wanted to religiously abolish the VIP culture right from the beginning, right from 2014. BJP was one particular party who religiously wanted to abolish the VIP culture. The feudalistic attitude of Congress, for about 10 years showed the way they are right now in the position in the country right now. Does BJP want to follow the same? No, this is not politics. This is not politics. You are actually debating.
It is a matter of law. It is a matter of law. Exemption guidelines are not restricted to ministers.
If he wants to, if his
it is
act
not
is
in order to
callous,
exemption
it is
guidelines
irresponsible. It totally
arguing
negates
with me.
the idea of what BJP has been advocating against the VIP culture. If he wants to discharge the responsibilities, then what is the whole Digital India program for? Modi ji has been advocating Digital India, then use technology. Every entity, including the apex court in the country, is using technology to run their operation. Then why a minister cannot do that? Why he cannot do that? The numbers are dangerously high in Tamil Nadu. The numbers are dangerously high in Karnataka. He should be ideally setting an example. And then what is this discharging the responsibility all about? It is the federal states, who are actually acting upon every policy that is being formulated by the center. He just have to sit at a particular office, use technology, talk to his team.
Ranjiv, let me crush one argument once and for all. Ranjiv, let me crush one argument once and for all. Vishal, wait, yeah. Vishal, wait. You can't repeat a point 1,000 times when I'm asking you one counter, you're not taking it. I mean, please don't do this. Vishal, listen. And let me complete the counter. People are watching this debate. Brinda will come on the right. Brinda, the counter he gives to me is exemption guidelines. He apparently holds a piece of paper in his hand. Wait. Tell me the date of that exemption guideline, please. Tell me the date.
These are the exemption
date
which has been taken from the website of Republic TV itself.
Date.
The date is not printed here. The date is not printed here.
No. Exemption guidelines given by whom? Which government?
Yeah.
The source of my information is republicworld.com.
So then you need to understand this.
Arnab, go on your own,
So
go
you
on your
follow-
TV's website, go on your own website.
No, one
Arnab.
sec.
And
One
the
sec.
exception is mentioned
One sec,
there.
Brinda, let me tell you.
You are
Brinda, 1 minute. Brinda, let me tell you. This is so absurd. When this incident happens, one day before that, 23rd or 24th, today is 25th, an addendum is put by Department of Health and Family Welfare Services, Government of Karnataka. Karnataka government run by which party, Brinda? Which party, Karnataka? BJP. They make an addendum for
Bharatiya
whom,
Janata
Brinda?
Party.
BJP. And what do they say? They say
For themselves.
ministers, our ministers will be exempt across from any quarantine requirement. Now, I want to know the scientific basis of this. How are ministers, the original SOPs were, now since you're telling me, viewers, Brinda, the original SOP was, the quarantine was for medical professionals, nurses, paramedics, sanitation personnel, ambulances without any restriction. They were exempt from institutional quarantine. How did the ministers come in? Are ministers working in hospitals? Are ministers working in sanitation facilities? Are ministers working for ambulances? Are ministers paramedics? No. Which means this is simply in Hindi what you call manmani, manmarzi. We'll do exactly as we please. We don't care about health, contamination, whether we can be a COVID carrier, the health repercussions of it. It's just this horrible, as Ranjiv rightly said, viewers, Brinda, a terrible sense of entitlement has come over these people. Women fancy governance. Now please, Brinda, please respond to this Vishal, who's been going on about this addendum from Republic TV. Please, Brinda.
How dare you show this addendum? Something that you concocted 2-3 days ago, and this is not for you, politicians. Tell me on what criteria you got politicians on this list? We can understand medical and paramedical professionals. How did you people come on it? Or do you think that you are... One moment, I do not disturb you when you speak. You must have the respect to listen to me. Listen to me, then you speak. How dare, do you think that we the citizens elected you to be rulers and lord over us? You are an elected representative, servant of the people, which means you will follow the policies and the rules and the orders that you put down
Put
first.
Gowda in institutional quarantine.
You are not exempted from it.
And
You are not exempted from it.
One more interesting
Gowda,
fact,
the
Brinda.
person at Sonipat, all of you go into quarantine.
Brinda, can I add one more interesting thing? You can take this further. You know the other fascinating thing today, Neelam Krishnamurthy? This addendum, you know when it was released? After Republic TV and others started questioning why Sadanand Gowda had broken quarantine norms. They released it today, backdated it to 2 days back. They think we are fools. What do you think we are, the people of India? Tell me, Zafar, do you think we are all fools? You put out an addendum today, you backdate it to 2 days back.
Should not be put under quarantine.
No. Pratik Som, what are you saying?
Arnab, I can reply.
Pratik Som wants to say something. National spokesperson of the JJP. Their ally in Haryana.
Yes, Arnab, see, there is not... no halla bulla is required on this. There was no halla bulla when UP Chief Minister didn't attended his father's funeral. Now everyone know, given this fact that lockdown has opened up partially, and there are certain categories, not only politicians, journalists as well, lawyers as well, doctors as well, and politicians, when a cabinet minister is heading such a sensitive ministry of pharmaceuticals, and he has to ensure the medical supplies, and he has been responsible enough that he has got his COVID test done. And I tell you, the law also, the law is that under Epidemics Act, the concerned district magistrate has discretion that if he is satisfied that if a person has taken due precautions and also has a COVID negative test, then he can exempt him.
How is that person's job more important than a doctor?
Making this issue.
How is that? Why should this not be an issue?
There is no
Why should this not be an issue? You are saying that in today's day and age he can't operate on video conference? He's gone to his home state. Don't fool me. He's gone to his home city. Don't fool me. He's gone there because he needs to be there politically. Otherwise, don't tell me union minister has to be on the ground breaking quarantine norms. I disagree.
Then also a politician can also move.
I disagree, and people disagree.
If he's
Brinda is on the call. We'll open phone lines also today. Brinda,
you can see that video. If he has got that face shield on him, district magistrate feels
there are other passengers who had face shields on them. They are on institutional quarantine.
He already has a COVID-19 test with him.
Everybody was having a face shield.
Now the law says so.
Everybody had a
Act says
face shield. Why have you not done
then
the same COVID test for everybody?
In Delhi now, doctors are not exempted. Even if they cannot go on quarantine. Now journalists, even the Republic cameraman who has come to my home, he has crossed the border today. Why do you want to target one person? Why didn't you make an issue?
We are talking about air travel.
Didn't attend his father's funeral.
We are talking about air travel. Yogi Adityanath is another case. I am talking about air travel of a union minister and rules created so that he can violate quarantine. I'm sorry. The same rules apply to all.
It's a policy paralysis.
The same rules will have to apply to all. Now you'll tell me next priority. What is the priority for Manoj Tiwari to play cricket? Manoj Tiwari's priority to play cricket.
When they should not be quarantined, you are saying that it will be a policy paralysis. Government is not responsible. Government is not taking any decision. You want a quarantine for a central cabinet minister who has taken all due precautions.
Who is the central cabinet minister? The Viceroy of India. Ranjiv is on the debate with Pratik. Ranjiv.
You want to blame him after 10 days that it's a policy paralysis by the central government.
These policies on the ground.
No, union central minister. Who do you think a union central minister is? 1 minute. Now look at these pictures. 1 minute. No, don't go to this now. 1 minute. In a bit later. We're having the debate. 1 second. Ranjiv is responding.
Gram Panchayat members in the state who is actually executing these orders on the field. It is not the union ministers. They are just formulating the policy. It is lockdown 4.0. Every time the center has been formulating the policy, driving it down to the state, and it is actually the Gram Panchayat members who are at the ground level executing all these policies. Okay, fine. If you want a minister to discharge his responsibilities, then let me put one more point there. Sadanand Gowda is 67. He's above 60. He's more susceptible to catch this disease. He could have probably asked Mansukh Mandavia, who is less than 50, who is the Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers, to discharge the responsibilities. Why he cannot do that? Why he cannot delegate it? Does he want to be there in every...
Zafar's audio is not clear.
During this crisis, setting the wrong example for the country. The domestic airport operations have been just opened.
Switch it off. Change.
Example that minister is trying to set it for the nation.
Vishal. Yeah, Pratik was on the debate right now. Sorry, we got a little distracted. Those are the pictures. That's another issue, of course, about playing cricket. I want to come back to the issue of Sadanand Gowda because we're having a poll here today. Viewers, we are being told that all state ministers and central ministers henceforth will not be subject to the same rules as the citizens of India. I'm making this interactive tonight. Neelam, you're on the debate right now with Muralidharan as well. He's a right-leaning journalist and activist. I think this is giving the BJP a really, really, really bad name. Really bad name. Students are observing quarantine, Neelam. Children are observing quarantine. Athletes are observing quarantine. Migrant workers are observing quarantine. Right? The only people we are being told, families have been separated, Muralidharan. Families have been separated. Families have been separated. I don't think Muralidharan can hear me, so I go to Vishal. Families cannot... Yeah, families have been separated, but a strong argument being made here today that this should not apply to mantris. Tomorrow somebody will say it should not apply to MPs. Why? Because of convenience. Only because of convenience. The only argument is of convenience.
That's next to come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neelam. Yes, Neelam.
Yeah, Arnab, today we saw a 5-year-old child meeting his mother after 3 months. I think that was more important for the child to meet the parent. But I mean, why do we want these VIP treatment for all these ministers? And I'm quite sure you saying that is going to be the ministers have been exempted now. The next, you can be sure the MPs will be the next to be exempted in the line.
MLAs next.
Because they are all used to having these VIP treatments, and it is only the ordinary citizens like us who are locked inside for the last 60 days. I want to know why should there be a difference? Are they not the potential carriers?
Pratik,
Are they immune
Vishal,
from COVID-19? Do they
Murli,
have that VIP status even with the COVID-19?
Anirban.
That COVID-19 is not going to affect these people?
Madam Leelam, let's not demean all of them in, putting in one,
Yeah.
basket. What we need is the netas of the country are working double hard, and they never worked like this in their entire life. They've been working so hard. So let's not demean them. See, we need unity, and we also need self-discipline to fight corona. There is no unity in this country. The opposition has already created such a mess with migrants, provoking them to go back to their houses. The entire migrant mess was because of there's no unity in the opposition. They wanted to attack the center, attack all ruling states. This is what they did. They all got together. Now, worsen this by pinpointing at each and every minister. See, states like Karnataka, states like Tamil Nadu, states like Kerala have done extremely well. If you want to pinpoint at Maharashtra and West Bengal. West Bengal, nobody even knows what.
No, this is not a political argument today.
Maharashtra, it's pathetic.
No, Murli, this is not a political argument today. This is about whether politicians should have the same quarantine rules as citizens. Simple. Is there any confusion in this? See, let's bring this debate down to basics.
Simple question.
Let's bring the debate down to basics and then let's debate. Murli, 1 minute. Let's get Anirban in. Anirban, where do you stand? Anirban, where do you stand? Take a position.
Yes. My position is that just like you are demanding that Mr. Gowda be put into quarantine because he traveled via air from Delhi, similarly, what I had demanded is that the central ministerial team that visited West Bengal should have also been put into quarantine for 14 days. But the BJP was screaming, no, foul.
The central team was under the original SOP. Don't speak like an illiterate man. The central team was there for medical reasons. Don't be ridiculous. There's no comparison there. There is no comparison there. You see, the problem is, your problem is, fact of the matter is, Vimlendu, even he wants netas also to be put in. See, eventually netas are all the same, Vimlendu. TMC, BJP, Neta supporters are all, TMC, Congress, BJP, all the same. They want special rules for themselves. Vimlendu, this is turning out to be a really interesting debate, where all politicians are coming together. And please come into the debate with Pratik. All politicians are coming together. All politicians are coming together saying politicians should be exempted from institutional quarantine. The team from Bengal that he talks about came in a chartered plane. They didn't, okay? The minister came in a commercial plane. The rest of the people in that plane, traveling with the minister, have been put into quarantine. The minister has not been. These are the facts. Now debate. Vimlendu opens the debate with Pratik. Vimlendu.
Really, they're talking as if they belong to a different class. As if they belong to a different class and the rest of the citizens belong to a different class. For them, they think that playing cricket is essential service. Then imagine Manoj Tiwari, for example, his constituency, most of the migrant workers that we're actually talking about is from East Delhi. So we're talking about an acute crisis, and as you rightly said, across political lines, all these representatives on your television show, the audacity that they actually have is to justify that they should actually have a special rule for the politicians as if they do not carry corona, as they are corona proof, as if they're the greatest public servants and frontline workers. Is playing cricket frontline service? Pratik is justifying something as saying, oh, well, look at what is happening. Somebody's talking about Maharashtra. You know what? Today, Maharashtra could be number one. Tomorrow, it could be Gujarat. Third day, it could be any Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan. We need to understand that everyone here is a potential carrier of a virus called corona. If you want to make that really,
I would suggest you please read the law. Please spare. This nation cannot run on critics. Please understand the ground situation. When a central cabinet minister has undergone
what is a central cabinet minister you highlight?
He has a test to show that he is. No, I'm telling you, because he on his shoulders there is certain responsibility. तो Vimlendu, let me complete. मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. Please read the law. Epidemic Act पढ़िए.
अरे ये कानून मत पढ़ाए आप हमको यहाँ पे कोरोना में आपके पुराने सर्कुलर कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा है यहाँ पे.
He is satisfied. He has undergone the COVID-19 test. He has taken all precautions. Now tell me,
every migrant worker who is getting into the bus has taken corona test. Why are you putting them in a panchayat bhavan in a school?
On a debate and say
every migrant worker has taken a corona test in Delhi.
You want for your own because of your
hello. There is more chance of that minister having corona than that migrant worker. Why are you subjecting that migrant worker into a center and not that minister?
Pharmaceutical at that time who has taken all
pharmaceutical
who has undergone
वो दवाई बना रहे हैं क्या दवाई मुंह में डाल रहे हैं क्या सबके
have you gone
pharmaceutical minister है तो क्या करेंगे
kind of test when the central cabinet minister has gone under this test he has the report and he has taken due precaution.
Have the other citizens not got the test and not got the report? Pratik, have the other passengers not taken the test and not got the report? Have they got the test done? Have they followed the rules? Why the, you know something, Pratik, there are two I don't want to bring this up, but I'll tell you today. 1 minute. There are two cabinet ministers in Maharashtra. Let me give you one example. There are two cabinet ministers in the government in Maharashtra, Vishal, who have tested COVID positive. One is recovered and one we hope will recover. The question is, any of these ministers under these rules, just before they got tested, could have been on a flight. What if that Maharashtra minister who has tested positive yesterday was on a flight today? What if the test happened 1 day later? And he just said, well, you know, I was a minister, so I don't need quarantine. Think about it. Think about it. You'd be screaming from the rooftops because he's from the other side of the political spectrum. Is the virus reading your addendum? Is the virus reading the addendum? Is the virus reading the addendum?
Do you remember?
Is the virus?
Do you remember?
Is the virus going to ask? Is the virus going to ask Uddhav Thackeray that Mr. Thackeray, have you given approval to your minister so I don't bite it?
People who traveled to Bengaluru and refused institutional quarantine, they were sent back to Delhi. They were sent back to Delhi.
The minister should also be sent back to Delhi.
So if you feel,
Delhi,
that Mr. Sadanand Gowda
not in Bangalore.
should undergo
He's a central minister, he's not a state minister.
And if he goes back to Delhi,
it's not his
what will be
privilege.
your argument?
At the time of
No, then let him have institutional quarantine in Bengaluru.
In Delhi, rather than in his state.
No, let him do institutional quarantine in Why is he bunking quarantine? This is a bunking mentality, no? Jitendra Bhargav. No, we are on the debate. We are not going to spare you on this one.
There was a group of people who came from Delhi in a railway train and they refused institutional quarantine in Bengaluru. They were sent back to Delhi. Now, if Mr. Sadanand Gowda goes back to Delhi, where will your argument stand?
I'll let Jitendra Bhargav respond to you. I think you're taking one example, linking it to another. I'm talking about equality before the law.
Right.
I'm talking about equality before the law. I'm on a stronger point than you. Jitendra Bhargav.
Arnab, the decision to start flights was taken only 5 days ago. They couldn't have thought about it. So there was a quarantine issue and they made it public when they were assisting the starting of flights also. They laid out certain parameters for passengers to come in. Now, how can you say, if you were to say, as the gentleman was saying, that he had got himself tested only a couple of days ago, then put that in the regulations of quarantine and say, if you show your certificate, you don't have to be quarantined. You haven't put that thing in it. And when you talk in terms of medical personnel being listed among the exempted category, tell me, how could you be thinking about it? Are you going to be importing or allowing people to travel because you need them in Karnataka hospitals? No, you're not needing it.
Zafar.
And do you expect an ordinary doctor to come in there and say, because I'm a doctor, I'm entitled, I can be exempted from quarantine? No, it's not expected.
Arnab, I don't know why unnecessarily you are making it an issue, which is not an issue. See, I will not advocate for any other minister just because he is a minister.
Please look at the public perspective.
Allow me to just give me 10 seconds. I have heard you. Just give me 10 seconds. My only argument that not because he is a minister or the cabinet minister or a central minister, but you have to understand, like we are giving exemption to the corona warriors, he is also one of the corona warriors because the responsibility he is holding currently, the sensitive and very critical responsibility which he is holding, is related to also providing.
Okay, I ask you one thing. I'll ask you one thing. One minute. Just a point. No. One second. Reporters are corona warriors. A reporter goes from Delhi to Bengaluru. Okay? Reporters are corona warriors. Should I not be sending a reporter? I'm short of reporters in Mumbai. Mumbai is bursting at the seams with an unmanageable situation. Should I fly down a reporter? Should I fly down a reporter from Bengaluru, Delhi, wherever, and say the rules don't apply to them? No, I want to ask you one more thing. You see, one more thing, you need to understand the context of this all. First of all, Rishabh Singh is calling from Thane. Welcome. Rishabh is a caller. It's an open debate after a long time. Rishabh, good talking to you. Are you on the line?
Yeah, sir. I'm on the line, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Don't call me sir. You call me Arnab. Hi, Rishabh. How are you? Go on.
Yeah, sir. I want to say if such violations are happening.
Yeah.
If such violations are happening, then these people should be booked on the jail actually. They should be put behind the bars.
Right.
And if such people will be booked, then only we can take a responsibility actually.
I hope, Zafar, you're hearing the sentiment of Rishabh from Thane. This is sentiment of the people.
And these people feel as if the COVID won't spread to such people.
No, can I just respond to him, please, Rishabh? Rishabh, that's not the case. We are not trying to make exemption for every minister, every politician. You have to understand that we are only making a distinction here. And exemption for a person who is holding
how do you realize, Zafar, I want to understand the importance index. 1 minute. See, 1 minute. Anyway, you see, the thing is, on a lighter note, everybody on television thinks they are very important. We all have an exaggerated sense of self-importance. All of us think we are important. How do you decide your importance index? You just said, we are not allowing everyone. Which means you are saying we are allowing the very important people or the very, very important people or the very, very, very important people.
No.
Which means you are... No, 1 minute. 1 minute, Zafar. You walked into a hornet's nest. Wait. Which means you were fighting the VVIP culture when you got elected. But you have made it the triple VIP culture after being elected. Ramesh is calling from Chennai, the BJP representative having a torrid time on the program this evening. You will have to put either the minister on quarantine or take back the addendum. Ramesh Kumar from Chennai. Ramesh Kumar, hi.
Hi, good evening, Arnab.
How are you? Good evening.
Rules, if they are already established on there is an SOP, should apply to all.
That's my point.
Of the country or a politician of the country. If they got urgent work in their constituency, they should put back in their constituency. They should not go back to Delhi again.
That's what I've been saying.
They can't keep going and avoid getting the quarantine done.
That's what I've been saying. You heard that, Vishal. I'm not. These calls are not.
Can I just 10 seconds? I want to take 10 seconds. What I was trying to communicate, which you interrupted me and didn't allow me to complete. All I said, like any other corona warrior, he should also be equated with another corona warrior because that is the responsibility.
I'm sorry, no. Okay. Rishabh, Ranjiv, take your Ranjiv Keshav. Come on, Ranjiv Keshav.
I am not advocating.
Ranjiv
Keshav.
Arnabji, everybody is talking about the corona warrior. Who is exactly the corona warrior, Arnabji? The people who are working at the ground, people who are working on the field, they are the real warriors. The Grama Panchayat members, the doctors, the nurses, the journalists, the health department officials, these are the real warriors. So somebody who has the power to sit in an air-conditioned room using technology to discharge his responsibility is just making an option for a photo op moment, and that's it. He wants to be physically present everywhere. Is that what he's trying to say?
Zafar!
The minister should have the grit to come out and say
and it doesn't matter whether he's a minister or
he wants to join his family. He wants to travel from Delhi to Bengaluru to be with his family. Why
when is the responsibility such when he can be equated with any other corona warrior?
Akhil Mishra calling in from Lucknow on a hot debate this evening. Rules for all, I say. Rules for all. Rules for all. And remember, viewers, this has been a constant theme on Republic. 1 minute. Jitendra Bhargav, you see, today the BJP is hating us. But let me remind, 1 minute. Today the BJP is hating us. This is the same BJP this is the same BJP which was questioning why Deve Gowda broke social distancing norms. At that time, the BJP took a very high moral ground. I want to tell you, Vishal, you are the same people who were questioning Deve Gowda's entire family holding a wedding in Ramnagara where nobody was wearing masks. Are you the same people? Are you the same people?
Different example.
Or are you different then?
Of people
or different
now?
now?
Not following any social distancing. In a marriage reception, Arnab, you cannot compare that with a government minister coming on official duty. Right? And you people want
coming in what? Coming in a passenger plane? Coming with other citizens? Coming with others who've been put in quarantine? I am asking for equality before the law. I want the Supreme Court to intervene in the matter. It's a fundamental right. Equality before the law. Akhil Mishra is on the call right now. Akhil Mishra from Lucknow. Akhil Mishra.
Good evening, Arnab.
Good evening. How are you, Akhil?
Thank you for bringing out the socially relevant debates on your channel.
Thank you, Akhil.
I would only like to say that rules are only for fools. There are no rules for VVIPs. And the good news is that the politicians are consistent in demanding VVIP exemptions across the party lines. I heard a Neta voice citing the example of Chief of Army Staff. Let me remind him that if Chief of Army Staff steps into a war zone, he is putting his and the people under him life at risk. He is not traveling in a public transport. He will take a chartered plane and go, or travel in an Air Force plane.
So true.
Don't compromise our health. You may be a VVIP for yourself. Keep it to yourself. Don't jeopardize the life of the common citizen of this nation.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And Akhil Mishra ji, you make a very strong point out here. I want to also tell you, Mr. Mishra, that all political parties have broken the rules. Congress leader Randeep Surjewala, he violated the lockdown. TMC leaders have violated the lockdown. TMC leaders have held sort of quote-unquote meetings on streets under police protection, violating the lockdown. So it's a systematic break of the lockdown, and I think you say it right. Rules are meant for fools. That's the sentiment people have at the end of it, and this is it's sacrilege, Jitendra, because at the beginning of the lockdown, we were all told to believe the rules. And how can we expect people in Mumbai to follow the rules if this is what they're going to watch on television?
Arnab, it would have been a much simpler and easier way to have apologized rather than give those kind of notions. He is an important person, he's a corona warrior, he was on official duty, etc. They are missing the basic point. Quarantine has been basically introduced so that you do not infect the general public when you move from one place to another. Now, I wouldn't know why they're trying to weave around the whole story just to defend a case which is indefensible.
Who's
just
defending?
It should not have been done.
No, states have been given flexibility, and each state has formed
flexibility.
Yeah, so every state will break the rules. No. As a result, what you're telling me is you and Trinamool Congress will fight on other issues, but on this you'll come together. You and Congress will fight on other issues, but on this you'll come together because all mantris, politicians want to feel privileged. You didn't answer my question. What was my question? Vishal, how do you decide the index of importance? How do you decide the index of him? Who's important, who's not? So you say cabinet minister is important. Tomorrow you'll say minister of states are important. Then you'll say the secretaries to the government of India are important. Then you'll say the joint secretary is important. Who decides at what level does the importance end? At what level does the importance begin? Tell me. Tell me, Vishal. Tell Brinda. Brinda, don't we all want to know?
As begins, the importance ends. As soon as the ordinary citizen begins, importance ends. Above that, all the public servants will continue like this, especially the ones whom we have elected. You are important. We are not important. You are doing all important work. We are not doing any important
Brinda
work.
is an activist. She is unimportant.
You compromise the health.
So Vimlendu is an environmentalist. He is not important.
Citizens. And you have no excuse.
people who are important today are the coronavirus warriors who are stationed in hospitals. The nurses, the doctors,
Which
the
politician
and
is
the police
not a
constables,
corona warrior.
the sub-inspectors who are manning the
The
roads.
politician is
no,
not
madam,
a corona
the politician
warrior.
is a servant of the people. As a politician, they are the first servants of the people. No politician, if the politician thinks himself as
So
very
follow
important,
the rule.
he misses the point. Seva is the work of a politician. If a politician is
Follow
not doing
the
seva,
rule.
then he has no right to be a politician.
Follow the
Here,
rule.
Sadanand Gowda, example. please
Sadanand
don't
Gowda
follow
should be
the
put in
rule.
institutional
He has come
quarantine.
on
Neha
a
is calling in from
mission.
Shillong. Neha, hi.
Will be followed by
Neha, hello.
Hello, sir.
How are
Hello,
you?
sir.
Yes, Neha.
I'm fine, sir. I must tell you, I'm a huge fan of yours.
Thank you.
Because seeing you, I get a feel that at least somebody has the audacity to take on people in power.
That's our job.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah. Sir, I would like to know what kind of special antibodies Mr. Sadanand Gowda has got in his body, because even I would like those antibodies to be injected in my body.
Would
because,
we all?
sir, you know, as a student, I really envy these politicians, and as of now, I want to put aside all my academic aspirations, and I want to become a politician. Seeing this happen.
Yeah. That, by the way, she was not paying a compliment, Vishal. She was being sarcastic. So please now don't take it seriously, because Neha, they might actually take what you said as a compliment. You know, people are so angry
Sir,
now.
I must say this because I'm a bio student. I would like to know about these special antibodies because I'm not aware of these antibodies as of now.
Pratik, what antibodies, Neha, who's a student from Shillong in Meghalaya, asks, what antibodies do politicians have which make them incapable of getting or carrying the infection?
The sarcastic, see, I know it's a sarcastic comment by her, but let me tell you, Arnab, apart from being a politician, Mr. Gowda is a public servant. He is
So are we all.
as a minister.
So are we all.
Under the
I'm sorry.
Ministry of Pharmaceutical. Please see, no, we know that. See, Arnab, the only point with with a lot of humility I'm telling, if a person is undergoing a COVID-19 test, he is taking a precaution. The concerned district magistrate under the Epidemics Act.
You tell me a simple thing, Pratik, 1 minute. Pratik, a minute. Pratik, can I ask you a question? Pratik, can I ask you a question? Pratik, tell me. Pratik, those are prepared statements. Let me ask you a question. Viewers, sometimes many politicians think that we come unprepared. I have always believed, Vimlendu, that the citizen needs to be far more prepared than the politician or bureaucrat or anyone, because we need to take them on, right, and ask them these questions.
Absolutely.
So they have been saying from the beginning that we've got an addendum. And you know why there are so many lawyers among politicians, Vimlendu? Because so that they can try and confuse us with legal jargon. And the rest of them can file FIRs on us. The question is, Pratik, is it or is it not true that this addendum to include the ministers was allegedly released today and then backdated to suit Sadanand Gowda's violation of institutional quarantine? Now, what this reflects is you think nothing of the law. You feel that, okay, some journalists asked us questions, just release a letter, yaar, backdate it, yaar. Just say that it was released 2 days back. Tell me any other addendum that is not released on the day of the release, but 2 days later. Tell me any other addendum. Vimlendu, my question is, tell me any other addendum in the history of India which is released after 48 hours when the media begins to ask uncomfortable questions. Tell me any other addendum.
This country is governed by rule of law. But the present
Don't teach me the law.
This is not about
you teach me the law, I'll show you a violation of the law.
There are certain classes. Please don't.
Citizens should take this matter to court.
He is the minister who is
Vimlendu.
tested and therefore he has the right to travel. Every other migrant worker also got COVID tested and has a right to travel. And then therefore all the other people who have actually got to Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal should also not be locked in a school building or a panchayat bhavan. Do you know how we have actually treated the other citizens? Are they lesser servants of our country? You politicians think that the ministers serve the country, and our other people, they are the pillars.
I don't do anything for the sake of debate. Correct yourself. I do nothing. 1 minute. I do nothing for the sake of debate. I debate on what I think we should be talking about. So don't lecture me on my choice of subjects. Mrinal Bose is calling in from Indore. Mr. Bose, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks
Go
for
ahead.
giving me the opportunity, Arnab.
Thank you,
Pleasure
sir.
talking to you.
Thank
In
you,
fact,
sir.
I just wanted to put forward one point here that there is a rule which is being laid out that everybody who will be traveling in the domestic flight should be quarantined. So why the rules are exception for the minister?
Precisely.
My demand is that Mr. Gowda should go to quarantine immediately. Otherwise, he should not move out from the for doing any job, any activity at all.
Absolutely. If you disregard this, Zafar, Pratik and Vishal, I'll tell you, there'll be a lot of anger in the country. Are you saying you don't care about angry citizens? Are you saying it doesn't really matter?
We do care, Arnab.
Arnab, of course we do. Plus, but please understand the situation
I will
of
not
policy,
understand.
policy paralysis which may happen.
I will
that
not
whole
understand.
Whole of the cabinet.
No, you're repeating yourself.
If you imagine
no, you're
this,
repeating yourself.
that the
Randhir Verma
cabinet
from
minister
Chandigarh.
may move from
Randhir
one state
Verma
to
from
another,
Chandigarh.
and then
Randhir Verma from Chandigarh. Go on, sir.
हेलो
Yes, Mr. Verma.
नमस्कार सर, मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा।
बोलिए।
मैं सभी हिंदुस्तान के सभी लोग जो हैं, गरीब आदमी जो भी सब सुने, मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगा सदानंद गौड़ा जी का अभी के अभी पहले कोविड का टेस्ट करवाया जाए और उसके बाद उनको क्वारंटाइन किया जाए। रिपोर्ट नहीं आती तब तक तो क्वारंटाइन उनको करना ही चाहिए, चाहे कुछ भी रूल हो। लेकिन उनका ये भी चेक किया जाए, जब वो आए थे दिल्ली से चले थे और जब पहुंचे थे अपने स्टेशन पे, तब दिल्ली में क्या वीवीआईपी रूट से आए थे, क्या उनका कोई वहां पे थर्मल चेक हुआ था या नहीं हुआ था, सब चेक करना चाहिए। क्योंकि अगर इन्होंने नहीं करवाया तो बहुत ज्यादा डेंजरस है।
रणधीर जी, रणधीर जी एक बात आपको बताऊं, इस बात की भी इसके बाद चेक होनी चाहिए कि जब कोई एयरपोर्ट के अंदर घुसता है, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं आपको भी एक्सपीरियंस होगा, आपने कभी देखा है कि कई नेता लाइन में नहीं खड़े होते?
सर
मैं तो हमेशा देखता हूं, दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट में आता हूं, मैं जब लाइन में खड़ा होता हूं तो बगल से पॉलिटिशियन निकल जाता है और कभी लाइन में खड़े नहीं होते, उनके लिए अलग होता है, उनको सल्यूट किया जाता है जब वो अंदर जाते हैं। तो ये तो एटीट्यूड बनी है ना, और उनको एस्कॉर्ट किया जाता है, वो लाइन में खड़े नहीं होते।
सर मैं आपको 15 सेकंड में एक एग्जांपल दूंगा। मेरे एक दोस्त गए थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया कुछ साल पहले, उनको चिकन पॉक्स हो गया, तो वहां पे पूरे प्लेन को उन्होंने देखा, पूरे प्लेन को फोन किया सिंगापुर एयरलाइन ने, क्या उनको कोई सभी को चेक किया उन्होंने। तो इस केस में अब कौन जानता है अभी सदानंद गौड़ा जी को ये कोविड है या नहीं है, कोई नहीं जानता। लेकिन ये टेस्ट के बाद ही पता लगेगा भी उनको कोविड है।
फैक्ट है कि क्वारंटाइन पॉलिसी फॉलो होनी चाहिए। I think it's a good point. You see, viewers, I've run short of time. It's 10:53. Now, I'm not going to let go of this. I make a promise we'll follow this up tomorrow. Sadanand Gowda, don't avoid my reporters when they contact you tomorrow. BJP, practice what you preach. Charity begins at home. Viewers, I shall see you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.